In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an epic on Jira. Whether you're using Jira to manage your projects or your team's workflow, knowing how to create an epic can streamline your tasks and give you a better overview of what needs to be done. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to navigate to Jira and head over to the Your Work section. This is your main hub in Jira, giving you quick access to recent projects, tasks, and more. It serves as the starting point for creating anything new, like an epic in this case. Once you are in the Your Work section, the next thing you will do is click on the Create button. This button is typically located prominently at the top of your screen, making it easy to find and use whenever you need to create a new issue, task, or in our case, an epic. After clicking the Create button, a dialog box or a new window will appear, prompting you to fill in various fields to set up your epic. At this point, the first thing you'll need to decide is which project this epic will belong to. This step is crucial because it ensures that your epic is organized within the right context and will be visible to the correct team members or stakeholders. You'll have a list of your existing projects right there. Simply select the appropriate project from the drop-down menu and you're off to a good start. Moving on, next up, you need to specify the issue type. In the case of creating an epic, you should choose epic from the list of issue types. This classification ensures that Jira treats it with the correct attributes and functionalities specific to epics, such as tools for breaking down the epic into smaller stories or tasks. With the issue type set, it's now time to add a summary. Think of the summary as the title of your epic. It should be concise yet descriptive enough to convey the gist of what your epic is about to anyone who reads it. Try to use a few words or a short sentence to capture the core objective of the epic, something that will make it instantly recognizable and understandable to everyone in your team. Next, you'll need to provide a description. This step allows you to go into further detail about what needs to be accomplished and what constitutes the completion of this epic. The description is your chance to elaborate on requirements, objectives, and any other relevant information that will help team members understand what the epic is all about. The more clarity you provide here, the easier it will be for those involved to stay aligned and productive. Now let's talk about the assignee. In Jira, this is the person responsible for overseeing the epic from start to finish. You can assign this epic to someone who will ensure it's being tracked and executed as planned. Assigning it promptly facilitates accountability and ensures that there's a point person people can turn to with questions or updates. Select an assignee from your team's list and you're good to go. You might also want to add some labels. Labels help categorize different pieces of work and make them more searchable within Jira. Think of labels as tags or keywords that can be used to sort and filter tasks according to similar themes or objectives. If specific labels are relevant to your epic, whether it's a department name, priority level, or something else, add them in at this stage to aid in organization and future retrieval. Once all these details are filled out, it's time for the final step, clicking on Create. This step confirms all the information you've entered and officially creates your epic within Jira. It will be stored under the project you specified earlier, ready for your team to begin working on, tracking, and managing. This process ensures that your epic is correctly set up and visible within the relevant project's context, so everyone involved knows where to find it and what needs to be done. And there we have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an epic in Jira. This process is integral for teams looking to organize large bodies of work and keep everyone aligned on goals and priorities. Whether you're managing software development, marketing campaigns, or any other kind of project, having a clear structure for your work in Jira can make a significant difference in productivity and transparency. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Happy organizing!